Reverse parenting: why Chinese kids are now cooking, cleaning for their parents. In a striking cultural shift catching global attention, homes across China are witnessing an unexpected role reversal, children taking over traditional parental responsibilities. Videos and photos flooding Chinese social media platforms show young kids chopping vegetables, sweeping floors, and heading to local markets, while their parents sit back and relax. The trend, dubbed reverse parenting, is not only gaining traction but also earning praise for its potential to instill discipline, independence, and empathy in the next generation. Traditionally, parenting in many households across the globe, including India and China, has followed a similar script: mothers rising early to pack school lunches, fathers ironing uniforms and polishing shoes, and both racing to get their children ready for school. But in today's China, those scenes are being replaced. Now it's the children who are waking up early, flipping pancakes, mopping the floors, and ensuring their parents are cared for. The idea behind reverse parenting isn't to burden children, but rather to teach them responsibility. Chinese educators and parenting experts suggest that by engaging children in household duties from a young age, they are better prepared for adult life. Children who manage chores develop a sharper sense of time, accountability, and organization, said Dr. Li Feng, a child development psychologist based in Shanghai, adding, they begin to see the world not just from their own lens, but also through the eyes of those who care for them. On platforms like Douyin and Weibo, thousands of posts show children joyfully participating in domestic tasks. Many are seen proudly displaying their home-cooked meals or cleaned bedrooms, often with their parents cheerfully cheering them on. Far from looking burdened, the children appear motivated and even content. Experts attribute this to a growing sense of accomplishment and autonomy. When children experience the fruit of their labor, their confidence blooms. They feel they matter in the family's functioning, said Dr. Feng. Reverse parenting is also being credited with fostering stronger emotional ties between parents and children. When kids step into their parents' shoes, even temporarily, they begin to appreciate the effort and care that goes into daily life. This role reversal, experts said, cultivates a deeper sense of empathy. As 10-year-old Su Ming, featured in a recent viral video, put it: now I know how hard it is for mom to cook 3 meals every day. I want to help her more. However, while the trend is largely seen in a positive light, some caution against overdoing it. Parenting expert from India, Ashita Sharma, warned that romanticizing reverse parenting without boundaries can be counterproductive. Children are not miniature adults, she explained, adding, if we overload them with responsibilities or treat them like house help, we risk pushing them toward burnout or resentment. Swipe left for next video. Sharma emphasized on balance. A few hours of housework a week can help build life skills and self-reliance, but it should never come at the cost of play, hobbies, or academic focus. Children learn not only from chores but from free play, reading, and exploration. That's what fuels creativity and emotional growth, she said. Still, the trend has prompted soul-searching in other parts of the world, including India, where many children grow up shielded from even basic tasks. Critics argued that such parental over-involvement fosters dependence and entitlement. In contrast, reverse parenting, if applied with care, can nurture resilience and adaptability, traits that modern life increasingly demands. Latest blogs.